Hi everyone, I'm Etty. I'm a lecturer in the Statistics Institute in the School of Maths, and my research focuses on infectious disease transmission models and using modern statistics, mostly Bayesian inference, to develop novel methods. I'm mostly interested in looking at how diseases spread through both time and space. Traditional outbreak models have just looked at time only, which I think is a problem. I've got experience in working in real-time modelling, so for outbreaks such as COVID and Ebola, but also I'm kind of interested if there's anybody who's looking at kind of smaller scale disease outbreaks that I'm also interested in that. I mostly focus on low resource settings, so countries which don't have such rich data sources, how can we model these systems where we're in those settings, because that's where the global burden of disease is richest. I'm also passionate about capacity building, so training others, not just in the UK, but worldwide, how to do infectious disease modelling. As an aside, I'm also quite keen to get access to the ALSPAC data, so if anyone here knows how I could do that, please, I'd love to speak to you. Thank you.